Tired of running to your computer like it's a needy ex? Meet AnyDesk, the ultimate wingman that lets you control your PC from anywhere. Whether you're chilling on the couch, hiding from work in the bathroom, or pretending to be productive at a cafe. With lightning-fast speeds and smoother than your best pickup line, AnyDesk makes remote access so easy, even your grandma could do it. Step 1. Download AnyDesk on your Android device from Play Store. Just go to Play Store and search AnyDesk, then download the application on your Android phone. Step 2. Download AnyDesk software for your PC. For this, go to any web browser you have. Then search AnyDesk for PC. You will see the website AnyDesk.com. Click on the first website. Then click on the orange button as shown on the screen. Click on the I'm not a robot section on the screen. You can choose software for Windows, Apple, Android, or any other device. For my PC, click on the Windows option, then the download starts. Then install AnyDesk on your PC. Step 3. Connect to your PC from another device. Open AnyDesk on your PC. You can see your address on the screen, which is used to remotely control the PC from another device. Open the AnyDesk mobile application on your Android device. You can see your address, and there is a section named Enter Remote Address. Click on Enter Remote Address and insert the address of your PC. Then click on the arrow sign as shown on the mobile screen. The mobile screen will show a connecting interface. On the computer screen, a pop-up window appears asking to accept or dismiss. Then click on Accept to allow the remote connection. After the connection is accepted, you can see the exact computer screen on your mobile screen. On the mobile screen, a cursor similar to the computer's cursor appears, and you can use this cursor to control your PC from your mobile. Then you will be able to run the computer from your Android. You can change any settings on the computer or run any software on the computer. Disclaimer: many scammers can use this software to scam you online. So be aware of such fraud calls.